Why is Mahatma Gandhi on Indian money? Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most important leaders in Indian history. He is known as the father of the nation because he helped India become free from British rule. His face is on Indian money, like the 10, 50, 100, 200, 500, and earlier 1000 rupee notes. But why? 1. He led India's freedom struggle. Gandhi led the fight against British rule in a peaceful way. He used non-violence, ahimsa, and truth, satya, as his main tools. He believed that even if someone hurts you, you should not hurt them back. He led many peaceful protests like the Salt March and Quit India movement. These movements brought people together and helped India become independent in 1947. 2. He stood for peace and unity. Gandhi worked to bring peace between people of different religions, especially Hindus and Muslims. He believed that all people are equal. He also worked to remove the caste system and helped the poor and untouchables, whom he called Harijan, or children of God. 3. His values inspire the nation. Gandhi's life and ideas still inspire many people today. He taught the world that you can fight for justice without using violence. He inspired leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. His values are part of Indian life, law, and education. 4. He represents Indian identity. India became a free country because of the efforts of Gandhi and many others. Putting his face on the currency is a way of honoring him and showing respect. It also reminds people of the values he stood for: peace, honesty, and simplicity. 5. Government's decision. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which makes Indian money, decided to put Gandhi's image on the notes starting in 1996. This was part of the Mahatma Gandhi series of banknotes. Before that, Indian money had pictures of national symbols, animals, or monuments. Now, Gandhi's smiling face is a common and proud sight on Indian currency. In short, Mahatma Gandhi is on Indian money because he led India's fight for freedom. He believed in peace, truth, and non-violence. He worked for unity and equality. His ideas still guide the country. He is a symbol of Indian identity.